Welcome to all. Today we are going to see how to set timer and stopwatch using browser. I flip to browser and type it google.com and the keyword is set timer for. I type it set timer for. For example, I need 1 minute is automatically comes on timer and it's starting the timer. When I click and stop, is going to stop, and again I click to start. Same time we are getting the stopwatch here, and I am going to start the stopwatch, stop, and again start, stop, and reset. Now I am going for timer. Still 25 seconds is remaining. So the important thing is the keyword is set timer for. After completing our set timing, we are getting some beep sound, and I click on OK. Is going to reset. Not only 10 minutes, if I want 10 seconds, is also available in our Google browser. Okay, now set for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, or I'm going for set 5 minutes. Going to set for 2 hours. Okay, thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. For more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.